Yeah, I quit drinking, so it's all about the liquid death.
Gotta stay hydrated, bud.
Welcome back to another episode of Pauses Vlogs. This episode I actually quit drinking. I've been quit drinking for a month. To test myself, I threw a party. I didn't have one sip of alcohol. Thank you, Liquid Death, so much. By the way, we have a guest here, Drunk Posy over here. Hey, sorry I'm late. Woo! Yeah. So anyways, I quit drinking because it was screwing with my creativity and my motivation to do YouTube. And what I love to do more than anything in the world is to film for you guys and make content. But it would ruin my whole weekend of filming because I would be hungover. Now I decided to stay sober and only make content and just do the thing that I love to do. Let's do fucking karaoke! I'm drinking, yeah, I liked it, but did I like the hangovers? No, I didn't. It was Halloween, so nothing else was going on because of COVID restrictions. Last minute, I threw a party. Here's how it went. And after this, content I really don't want to show you of me way too drunk and doing stupid shit. So stay tuned for that. Hello and welcome back to another episode of Pauses Vlogs.
Hey guys, stay hydrated.
Yeah, I quit drinking, so it's all about the liquid death.
Gotta stay hydrated, bud.
Here's my friend. Understand, man, I am the best. I come to goddamn fucking Budapest. If you want to fucking touch me, you are a pest. I kill a fucking skunk and I kill a fucking mouse. Everything is great. I don't give a shit.
Giving away my fucking scotch.
I have this shit.
Because I don't drink no more.
I appreciate it. They do not.
That's a lot of hair. That's a lot of fucking hair.
It's spicy water.
It says take it off.
Bobby girl in a Bobby world. Life is plastic, it's fantastic. You can cut my hair, be everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
I'm gonna grab a broom.
What? Take away.
Got my cleanup crew.
Bro, it looks like Cousin It, dude.
Get out of my hand.
Yo, anyone need a Halloween costume? Cousin It, right here.
We're bringing it so reality of that age. Who the fuck brought that up?
Well, that's broken.
Ready yet?
Close the fucking door.
Yeah, I'm splicey wired. And moment of truth. I'll be really surprised.
Here we go. Let's see.
Yeah! We kind of got it. Oh, right there, dude.
Yeah, no, it works.
Hello?
Happy birthday!
Kind of working. But if you let it go, it's gonna fuck up.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ed. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you
Get
guys.
us spliced.
Birthday boy!
Happy birthday, Ed!
Happy birthday!
Flap it off, flap it off. You look like me in the light bulb bar video. Now you gotta eat it.
Okay. It's gross.
Yeah, I'm sweating so much that my blood's dripping all in my beer. Or not my beer, my water. Even I forget it's not a beer.
It's not even a
Mountain water.
Like, what the fuck is going on?
Ow. Oh, this is definitely taking my beard off. Oh, this is pulling my beard off. It's like waxing it, look. Guess I'm gonna have patches missing out of my beard. Am I missing big patches out of my beard? Yeah.
Like, just, yeah, go to the fucking, just shave.
By the way, for anybody wondering, in that intro video, I was drinking apple juice. Calm down. And now let's take a look at those embarrassing videos. Ready? Yeah! To no drama. Yo, that's like what everybody said was gonna happen. Oh, dude, what the fuck? Yeah, rock the flag.
About your leadership, and I will trade our leadership.
Dude, I'll do a flip.
I had enough of this. Yeah, now I'm pissed.